Have to check once in a while. Oh! Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Sorry my nose is a little stuffy because of the allergies, so you guys are gonna have to deal with my sniffling today. Today we have a really special video. We are doing a promotional video on Sakuchi Air Fryer, so thank you Sakuchi for gifting us with this air fryer. We tested it out and we actually really liked it. We tested it out with a Korean cheese corn dog. It was really crispy on the outside and the cheese was perfectly melted. Like, we did notice a difference with other air fryers, which is why we decided to promote it, because we only want to promote things that we really trust and like. The Sakuchi Power Air Fryer can evenly cook foods using their most advanced circular heat technology with little to no oil. So air fryers, I think most people have one these days because it's a better alternative to deep frying and it cooks your foods literally in minutes. And it's so easy, you just put it in your basket and it does the work for you, which is why I feel like most people like air fryers. This air fryer is able to cook a variety of foods and you can adjust the cooking time and temperature manually with this LED digital control panel. Sakuchi Power Air Fryer is a BPA and PFOA free cookware that is a top-rated air fryer. The crispier plate and basket are both dishwasher safe, which is really good because sometimes I hate how dirty air fryers can get. So the fact that it's dishwasher safe is awesome, and it also has a non-stick coating on the basket. So today we're going to be cooking up some really crispy honey butter chicken using this air fryer. So let's get started and we'll talk more about the Sakuchi air fryer. I'm gonna cut up these chickens to little bite-sized pieces. I'm using chicken tenderloin pieces, so they have this little white
tendon.
Yes, that I am going to remove. I'm gonna remove this for a second while we work on the batter. Add in our Korean frying powder. And our regular subscribers probably know this, but if you guys don't have this, just add in your all-purpose flour and mix in some cornstarch with it. Some water, some salt, and black peppers to taste. Let's give this a mix. I don't know why this batter looks good already. Now we'll add in our chicken pieces. The good thing about these boneless chicken pieces is that it's so small and we don't have any bone involved, so it cooks really fast. So I have some more frying powder here. We're gonna coat it from the batter to here. Do you like honey butter, Grace?
They're okay.
Really?
Yeah.
So I was thinking about this recipe because I love anything honey butter. When honey butter chips were like that phrase in Korea, I was in Korea during that time and it was impossible to find a bag of honey butter chips when they first came out. So I did get to try it because my cousin was miraculously able to find one and bring it home, and it was really good. Now in this goes so I forgot to bring my oil spritzer on here so I can just give it a good spray. So I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil over this. So in it goes. We'll do it on chicken for 13 minutes and we'll adjust as we go. The Sakuchi Air Fryer has a bunch of functions, like you can cook steak in there, french fries, heat up pizza, make some chicken or fish. There's a bunch of different options. You can adjust the time on the right and then the temperature on the left. While we're waiting on the chicken to finish cooking, do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 튀김, which means fried. As as in like fried food. So in Korea, 튀김 is a really big part of the street food scene. I love eating 튀김 with tteokbokki, like dipping it in the sauce. It's so good. I really love shrimp tempura, which is shrimp 튀김, or 고구마 튀김. I mean, honestly, what is not good fried? Even a shoe would taste good fried. Today we are making a healthier fried chicken because it's in the air fryer. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily consider it like it's healthy because we're still using flour and butter for the sauce, so it's not the healthiest, but healthier than deep frying the chicken. So today's word of the day is 튀김, which means, so when about half the time has passed, I'm gonna take it out and move it around a bit. And now we'll work on our sauce. It's super easy and it's just 4 ingredients. We'll add in our butter. We'll have it at medium heat. And our honey. And have it on a low to medium heat because we don't want the butter or the honey to give off any bitter taste. Let's add in our soy sauce now. And our vinegar for a slight kick. When the sauce thickens a bit, we are ready to just pour it over our chicken and eat. So I want it to be a little bit more brown, so I'm gonna put it in for another 5 minutes. Chicken is ready. It looks great. Okay, so
Wow, that smells amazing.
right? I did leave some of the sauce out to the side because I know, like for instance, Grace doesn't really like things too saucy. So I just have it out there for some people who don't like it as saucy and just want to dip. The sauce is pretty soaked in now. We'll go ahead and plate it and add some sesame seeds on top.
You could hear the crisp.
Got our air fryer next to us and we are gonna eat Coke first. Okay, do it. I'm scared. I'll do it. Oh.
Wow.
Let's eat or drink. I like it with some sauce, so I'm going to bring it here and add more. And bon appetit.
Wait, what?
It's really good in the air fryer.
Wait, how did you do that in the air fryer?
Do you like the sauce too?
I thought the sauce would really ruin the chicken.
Oh, like it would get soggy?
Yeah. That's why I don't like overly sauce things because I like crunchy. This is crispy. And it's light.
So good. So addicting.
And it's so easy to use.
So good. When you take the basket out to check once in a while, make sure to press the pause button because when you just take it out, it like resets the time, so it goes back to what was initially there. So let me talk and then eat. So if you guys like the Sakuchi Air Fryer like we did, see the code below here. I'll place it like here in the front. And if you use that code, you'll get 10% off on your order. It doesn't only have to be the air fryer. I'm pretty sure it's on any Sakuchi product that you get on their website. Check out their website. It's really cool. They have a lot of neat things, and we'll see you guys on our next video.